Today we made sawdust while making stuff out of wood, so we're gonna light it on fire. Step 1, safety. Step 2, obtain wood.
Step 3, add tinder.
Like the dating website?
Yes, it fuels lost relationships.
Step 4, light. Maybe we should use like rocks.
Never mind.
Fire. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. We didn't start the fire.
It was that kid over there. It wasn't us, I swear.
Next step, be stupid. There are sparks everywhere. Step 5, roast marshmallows. Wait, did we already do step 5?
This hurts my hand torrentously.
That is a cookie. That
It's
is
a free country.
Fire achieved. Mission successful. Good job.